So today our ride's very short, but the symbolism behind it is what really matters. Not forgetting our fallen officers, not forgetting their families and survivors. And so we're going to ride from here, Tempe Beach Park, over to Phoenix to Wesley Boland, where the Arizona Peace Officer Memorial is, and show them that we didn't forget them this year. Riders here, mostly from the Police Unity Tour, some riders from Law Enforcement United, and we're all gathering here today to do a ceremonial ride, if you will, over into Phoenix. A lot of years, most of us would be back east right now, riding the Police Unity Tour or the Law Enforcement United ride, which most of those rides are 250 miles or more, 3-day rides, big rides, and they all raise money for different things, all associated with law enforcement and fallen officers or survivors.
We're going to take care of our community. We're going to take care of our fallen. We're going to take care of our survivors. We're never going to forget. And even in the middle of a pandemic, we will still ride for those who died.
I think that just shows the unity of the law enforcement community here in the Valley and across the country.